Good morning, my friend. Welcome back to my messy house. Seriously, it's really bad. As you can see, we are starting here in our primary bedroom. The sinus thing going around is outrageous. So I've been not down and out, but I had a major sinus infection, and so we got a lot to catch up on today, and I am so excited to bring you some extreme cleaning and homemaking motivation today. We're just gonna get done what we can, tackle the mess, and I hope you get up and clean along with me. Let's go. One more thing, you are watching this on my husband and I's 9th anniversary, which is kind of crazy. We are coming up to a decade and it's just pretty exciting. So shout out to us. Happy Saturday, my friend. I hope you are all having a beautiful weekend so far and you're able to relax a little bit this weekend. I'm starting off the cleaning motivation today with my ripple effect chore of making our bed. We're going to move through almost the whole house today, doing both some general tidying as well as some cleaning, wiping the surfaces, that sort of thing. And I'm also mopping the floors on our upper level, which to me is like cleaning the kitchen, and it just feels so good to get that task done. I'd love for you to let me know down below in the comments, are you up cleaning along with me today, here for the cleaning motivation, or sitting back and relaxing and spending time with a friend? Finding joy in the everyday mundane tasks isn't always easy. The one thing that has allowed me to find joy in the everyday homemaking and cleaning, truthfully, has been decluttering our home. If you find yourself constantly feeling stressed in your home, have feelings of being overwhelmed, and just not able to keep up with everything, and you are super burnt out, I want to suggest trying to simplify your life. It doesn't matter what season you're in, decluttering and simplifying your home will create such an impact and free up so much of your time. On days when life happens, or like me, you get hammered with a sinus infection that made its way through every single person in your house, you're not feeling extra stressed and like you can't keep up or that there's so much to do necessarily. In today's society, and honestly, I used to do this too, I feel like we're conditioned to wear our to-do list like a badge of honor. And I've actually talked about this before, but it's like it somehow determines our worthiness. But no, that's where we got it all wrong. Let's shift our mindset to wearing stillness and slowing down as that badge of honor instead. The truth is, we all have chores. We all have a never-ending to-do list. We all have to clean the dishes, clean up the kitchen, clean up the kids' messes that sometimes feel like they're never ending, and just keep up with maintaining a clean home for our families, men included. But what I know to be true for me is that in order to really relax, I needed to reduce the visual stimulation, ditch the clutter, and gain my time back. I wasn't actually able to enjoy a cup of coffee in peace or really fully slow down because of the mental load from all of the stuff in our home. If this is resonating with you, I want you to know you're not alone and I'm here to support you. And as you can see, I'm not perfect either. I still have my natural hoarding tendencies, as I like to call them, like shoving things behind our TV here so they're out of sight and out of mind. But I'm working on it. Progress over perfection, right? All of that to say, let me show you how to declutter your whole house in just 15 minutes a day. Make sure you are subscribed, and while you're at it, like this video. Any engagement, liking it, commenting, all the things really helps me out as a smaller creator, and it allows me to continue making free content for you guys. So why not start today? What's one drawer that's been bothering you? Put me up on your device and tackle your mess with me today. If you're new around here, you might not know, but we have two little girls ages 5 and 7 who share a bedroom. They are responsible for tidying up both their bedroom as well as their playroom, as I'm a firm believer in age-appropriate chores, which people can be slack about, but regardless, I stand strong in that decision. Sometimes Mama Bear has to come in and wants to come in and do the tidying and cleaning up for them. They're always so appreciative when I do it for them, but majority of the time, again, it is their responsibility to do this before they have their screen time. Just wanted to share that little tip with you if you do have kids, for helping taking some of that mental load off of your plate while also giving them that independence and honestly teaching them basic life skills. I don't ever want my kids to think there's some magic cleaning fairy. I don't know. It's a touchy subject, I know, for a lot of people, but I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this and what age your kids are and just how you navigate through this. Let's open up the conversation in the comments. As you can see, I also don't do a perfect job of making their beds or trying to, again, just like make their room look perfect. At the end of the day, they're kids and I want their room to be manageable for them, and I don't want them to stress about having it to be like quote unquote perfect.
For this?
Now that we have the whole upstairs clean, it's time to move down to the rest of the house and the main floor. Our entryway here accumulates a lot of dirt and dust on the bench, so I just wanted to quickly wipe that down and then remove the entryway mats so I can clean underneath them. As I was filming this video, I got a question regarding my rainbow vacuum and if I still own it. So yes, I do still own it and I use it in my clients' homes, but sometimes it's too much of a hassle to lug it out to vacuum our house. Like, it's really big and bulky. So I've just really been loving the convenience of our new stick vacuum from Lowe's. I only bring out the rainbow in our personal home maybe once a week, but I really should bring it out more as it does purify the air as well, and I do love that about it. We are moving into the kitchen and tackling the dishes. I like to start my dishwasher every single evening so that in the mornings I can unload it. This is a simple home hack that I've been doing for years that works beautifully in our home. It honestly takes me like 5 minutes to unload it in the mornings, and then it's ready to be filled throughout the day. The other part of that allows it to be super easy to clean is everything has a home. So there's no guessing when I'm putting things away, and there's no guessing when I'm putting things into the dishwasher, as everything kind of goes in the same spot. Like plates have a designated spot, bowls have a designated spot, that sort of thing, that like I don't even have to think about it. I just automatically do it, which has been really helpful. When it comes to hand washing, there is a few things I do hand wash, like our caraway pots and pans and bakeware, just so that I don't ruin them, as well as our like steak knives. So once I get those all washed, dried, and put away, the next step is to wipe our countertops. I'm using my favorite non-toxic Sage multi-purpose cleaner today on all of our kitchen surfaces. I love this stuff so much, and I've been using it for years. If you notice the painter's tape on our wall, don't judge. I'm a total visual person, and I'm trying to plan out a gallery wall for our living room, a little sneak peek. I'm also still on the hunt for the perfect ottomans or swivel chairs or something for this space. I feel like it's missing something. And if you're new around here, we do not jump into these decisions. Sometimes we'll buy things, we'll try it out in our space, and if we don't absolutely love them, we return them. So I don't know, I try to teach you to do the same thing in your space. I feel like we live in such a consumerism world, and it can be really hard not to compare or want what everybody else is sharing, especially here on YouTube or Instagram. So I hope that you can come here on my YouTube channel and not only get some cleaning motivation and, home inspiration, but also just feel like you are hanging out with a friend. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in my next video for more home inspiration.